back at the cabin site today. We had to come up here to the sawmill, get the skid steer and take it back there. And then these are the one bys my uncle's been making to sheet that roof with. To sheet the roof with. Say that 3 times fast. Sheet the roof with. I can't do it.
The heavy 149. It's like a 149.
149. Custom woodworking. It's out a little bit top, so we're shaving this post a little tight. If it ain't tight, it ain't right.
All right. Good enough for now. That's a good down. Nail it right there. It's not falling on our head.
Need to go away. Yep.
Let's get the right one for you. That's good. Look at that. Come on.
All right. Yeah, right there. Lay it down. Yeah, right there. We in. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today. We've got these up all the way around because we need those up to frame the windows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 windows. So next we'll have to set the windows in here, frame around those, square those up. Then we can start filling in between the corners to the windows. Appreciate you guys watching. Like I said in the previous video, this is more of a, not a how-to, more of a documenting the process of rebuilding the Jacob Troutman cabin. We'll see you next time.